Hi, I'm Sue Barclay. Here I am in my workshop where I design and make silver and gold jewellery. I'd like to give you the opportunity to make a pair of silver earrings at home. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how you can do this. I have put together 2 packs with a pair of silver hooped earrings and a selection of beads of different textures and designs. It is going to give you the opportunity to design your own earrings, and I will demonstrate this for you. Hope you enjoy the experience. This is a demonstration to create your own sterling silver beaded hoops. I'm going to demonstrate earring selection A. It comes in a gift box, and in the gift box we'll find a silver polishing cloth, which is to use to keep your earrings in nice condition when you've made them. There's my card with contact details in case you have any queries, and there's a card, create your own sterling silver beaded hoops for guidance. One pack contains the pair of hooped earrings. Now these silver earrings are 22mm in size or 2 centimetres, and then there's the bag with an assortment of patterned sterling silver beads. There are 20 beads in this pack. There are 4 large ones and 16 small ones. Now might I suggest for handling that you use a pair of tweezers. These tweezers are just the normal tweezers you have at home, and they are not professional tools at all. So I'm going to separate the 4 larger beads away from the smaller ones. So that just makes life a little bit easier. It's up to you how many beads you use, the designs you create. That's entirely your choice. What I suggest is you lay out the beads in the order you want on the first before you thread them on. So I think for this design I'm going to use the pattern bead for the middle. So you can see that there. And then next to it, I think I might put a highly polished smaller bead, because that'll help reflect that design, which I'll put there. And then next to that, I think I'm going to put a different type of design bead. That's that one. There are quite a few different designs in here, and it's entirely up to you how many you use, what order you put them in. I think that's pretty. Yeah, I think I'll just leave it at that for that. I think that'll look nice. So to open your beads, you just gently ease it and slightly to one side like that. Can you see? So now comes the job of putting the beads on. Pick them up in your tweezers. You can hold them quite firm because they're sturdy beads, and just thread it through like that, and it pings off again. This is why you need your tweezers. Straight through onto the wire and let it drop down. Pick up your second bead and do the same, because these beads do have a habit of pinging and going all over the place. I mean, I've got it on a cloth today so they don't roll around too much. This is a really pretty bead, it sparkles. I've put some smaller ones of this bead in as well. But you can see how they can ping off if you're not careful. That's it. That's it, cut it on. I mean, some people just prefer to put them on with the fingers, but I find putting on with the fingers is actually even trickier. You can create your own designs to go with your outfits. I mean, it's up to you how many beads you put on. There's enough, as I say, there's 20 beads, so you can put quite a lot on if you want. But the choice is yours, and that's why I've said create your own design, because you know, the order you put them on is entirely your choice. I think that looks quite pretty now. So there we go. As you can see it. Oops, I'll move it so it gets into focus. So there we are, we've done them. So I think I'll put those in the box on the velvet, and you can see. And what I perhaps will do now, I'll do a thread some more on another earring, and I'll do another design. So I think we'll put one in the middle there. I've got a smaller version of that large one I did on the one I've just shown you. Yeah, that's that there. Yeah, put a laser one there. So this is just a less beads, just to give you an idea of what else you could do. I mean, the combinations are absolutely endless, really. So that's one. Two. There we go, close it up. So you can see with just a few beads on, it can still look very pretty. So there we go. So the choice is yours. You can put as few or as many beads on you want. And that just gives you some idea of what you create and create your own designs. And I hope you have fun and enjoy. This is a demonstration to create your own sterling silver and gold vermeil beaded hooped earrings. This is earring selection B. They come in a gift box, and in the gift box we find a silver polishing cloth to help keep your earrings in lovely condition once you've made them. A card with my details on in case you have any queries. And there is also a create your own sterling silver and gold vermeil beaded hooped guide card. There is a pack with a pair of earrings. These are 22mm in size or 2 centimeters. There is a bag with an assortment of sterling silver and gold vermeil beads. There are 20 in the pack. Suggest you put them in the lid so they don't roll around anywhere. Gold vermeil is gold plating on sterling silver. Now I suggest that you use a pair of tweezers. These are not professional tools, but the tweezers I have in my house makes handling the beads an awful lot easier. There are 4 large ones which I'm going to separate because that makes life a lot easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 16 small ones. For this demonstration, I'm going to do just a design of my own, which you obviously can do. I suggest you lay the beads out in a row. So I think for this one, I'm going to use one big laser one in gold vermeil. I'm going to put 2 silver ones, one at either side. Yeah, they're there. Yeah, I might do a highly polished gold vermeil bead. And a silver one there. Yeah, that's looking quite pretty. And I might finish with another gold one at the end. Yeah, okay. I think that looks okay. So now I've opened the earring carefully, I'm going to thread the beads on. Using tweezers enables you to have a stronger grip and helps you thread the beads on. So that goes on there. Oops, I've dropped it. That's one on. Here's the silver bead. So just make sure you've got a decent grip. Just gently, oops, that one's playing up. Just thread the bead on to the hoop. There we go, that's 2 on. So with 20 beads, you can do quite a lot of creative designs, really. So obviously you can change them to suit your outfit. You can put as many on or as few on as you want. I mean, these create quite glittery, sparkly earrings. In fact, as soon as my daughter saw this kit, she went, "Oh, can I have one of those kits?" So that's one gone already. You've got to be really careful with the beads because they do have a habit of pinging off. So if you're at home, it might be useful to put them on a little tray or something with a piece of kitchen roll. That does tend to stop them jumping all over the place. Right, so that's done. So you need to hook it through. And there we have one really pretty earring. Obviously, there's enough beads there to replicate that design. But I think what I might do, rather than doing two the same, I might just create another design with less beads, just to show you another option. So I think for this one, I might use a silver as the middle and two shiny gold ones. Yeah. And maybe just a shiny silver one, something very simplistic. And it'll give you an idea how simple or how involved you can be with any earring, because is this one? Oh, don't tell me this one's going to play up. Ah, it's gone on. There we go. Put the golden on. 2. There we go. Oh, that's a lot less beads, but you see, that still looks as pretty as you can see. So in the box there, I've got one with a lot of beads on and one with just a few. So the combinations are absolutely endless as to what you can create. So obviously you can do it to suit your outfit, the mood you're in, and then people say, oh, I like your earrings. So you could do something as simple as that or as involved as that. So it looks as though you've got lots of different pairs of earrings, where in fact you've just got the one pair of hoops and lots of beads, and you can create all lots of different combinations. So there we are. Have some fun, enjoy, and hope you have a good time with them. Thanks very much. Bye.